Hello, my name is Mihaэль Napel. I'm a representative director here of the company DB Engineering&Consulting in Kazakhstan. I'm responsible for the Central Asian region, and we have been working here in Kazakhstan since 2019. We opened our office here and signed a contract with our main partner, Kazakhstan with Kazakh Railway. And during these 3 years of strategic cooperation, we have achieved a lot in the transformation process of Kazakhstan Railway into a modern company, modern transportation company. We supported especially passenger transportation, and we have been discussing a lot last week with the management of KTG and of passenger transportation for continuing our strategic cooperation and how we will develop the logistics sector in Kazakhstan together in transforming the company. Especially we will focus here also on the middle corridor, on exploring all other possibilities to absorb the increasing quantity of logistic transport flow here through Kazakhstan, and we will bring in the whole competence of Deutsche Bahn as a number one railway in Europe, not only for engineering consulting business and support for KTG, but also for all logistics and transportation systems here in Kazakhstan. We will develop and increase our cooperation also with other logistic companies here in Kazakhstan to form a group of companies who will play an important role in this sector. And we have been supported tremendously by the government of Kazakhstan, by Kazakh Invest, by KTG itself, and we would like to thank to everybody who has supported us and who will support us furthermore in the expansion of our cooperation and of our work here in Kazakhstan. Thank you very much.